plus b. Is it an expression here?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Because a plus b. What we call this a? What is the name of this? The value varies. What we call it?
Which value?
Variable or unknown. So, variable or unknown. Right there. So expression is a term which consists of some variable, some numbers, and operators. Right there. So what we call it? If I'm going to write down this one, 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Is it also expression here?
Yes.
Yes. Right? But what we call this one, 2?
Number.
Is it a number? And x is unknown, which is also called a variable. And this one is also number. And this plus and this divide. What we call it? These are operation. Plus, divide, that means
Bit mass.
yes, bit mass, which is we should follow bit mass. What is this B for?
Bracket.
Bracket. I for indices. Right? And this one D for
Divide.
divide.
And
And for
multiply.
multiply.
Add.
A for addition.
Addition.
Right?
Subtraction.
So whenever we are following or solving the expression or anything, we should follow this bit mass rule. Bracket, indice, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Right? So as we know that a plus b, which is called variable, plus is a operator, b is also a variable. And these are unknown. The value could be anything. That's why they are called unknown variable. The value which we don't know is called the unknown variable. So expression is a mathematical phrase which can have a number, variable, and a operator. What are these operators? It's plus, minus, divide, and multiplication. Operation and operator. Because of this, they depends upon each other. Because of this plus, right? Here, it's divide. So we need to put any number here in this A, and we have to multiply with this 2 and divide it with the 6. So here this addition, multiplication and divisions, they operate, they change the operation. Okay, so this is your expression. Now it's given you, here is equation. What is this equation here? Equation. First of all, tell me, from where this word has come? Equation. Comes from the word equal. Yes, it comes from the word equal. It should have this sign. Is it? Equal sign. So if I am going to make it 2x plus 1, it is equal 10. Equation. Because of this equal sign, which makes sense for this expression, which turns to equation because of this equal sign here.
Okay.
This equal sign makes all the difference between the expression and this equation. Which one is same? No, both are different. Expression is, it doesn't have any equal sign in here. No, but yes, but when the expression is going to change into equation, it has to get an equal sign here. Both the sides are equal. Done it? And this equation also have a variable, a number, a constant, and a operator with an equal sign. Both the sides are equal. This is called equal equation. So you can open the page number 180 now. You see there it has given you further substitution. How to substitute the equation or the expression by putting the value of the variable. Substitute. Yes, substitute means change. How to change it? Substitute. For example, V is a value. V has given an information is here is 5. value of the b is 5. So how to substitute the value? Suppose it has given you b5 or it has given you 5b. What do I need to do there? Equation. An equation is a math sentence that says that two things are equal. 2x plus 1 equals 10. 2x is always equal to this value of the 10. And 5x divided by 2 is equal to 12. This is called the equation. Example of equation here. Equation could be always looks like this with having an equal sign in it. Right there. So that's why it is called an equation. Do copy down this one, the equation of the and is this side finished? Expression. Is it finished copying down?
Yes.
So look at it. In quotes, I have written something here, A and B, and we need to write it down in the form of the expression by using number and variable. I think of a number. I'm thinking about this number, which is a variable here, because I don't know what is the value of that. So that's why it is a variable. I think of a number multiplied by 2. Anyone who can tell how to write it down? Yes?
2x.
2x. 2x. Right there. But if I'm going to write down 2 times x, is it correct? Is it the correct way of writing?
Yes.
No. Why? Why it's no? Because the algebra says that we should not use the multiplication sign. Right? In product, we should not use the multiplication sign here. So the correct way of writing is 2x. I think of a number. I'm thinking about this number x. And multiply. Multiply means I'm multiplying this with 2 here. So that's why 2x. The number before the letter, and there should not be any multiplication, division or sign in front of, in between the variable and the number. So that's why this is 2x, not 2 times x. So this is the correct way of writing the expression. How about the question B? I think of a number, multiply by 2 and add 1. Yes? 2x plus 1. 2x. Yes, any variable means any letter, you can use it. C wants to take 2y plus 1. Yes, that is also correct. Anything else you want to substitute? 2a plus 1. Anything could be. So the variable could be any letter, any alphabet. Right there. So we can use any alphabet to write it down the expression to give this expression. I think of a number multiplied by 2 and add 1. So here 2x plus 1 or 2y plus 1 or 2a plus 1. Anything could be. Yes. Any variable you can use to write down the expression. Understood?
Yeah.
Finish copying down. How about this side? Equation. Is it finished already?
Yes.
Further substitution. By using the expression, by putting the value in the variable of the variable, how to find out the values. It's called the further substitution. So you can take out your page number 181. 181. Take out that. You see the question number 2. Question 2 out there. What is it asking you? Given that a is equal to 3, that means here value of a is given you, the variable a is 3 and b is how much?
Minus 2
and c is
minus 5.
So all the values of the variable a, b and c are given here, and it is asking you in the question A, what is the expression it is giving you? 4a plus b. We are supposed to find out what will be the answer for this expression 4a plus b. What should I do? Yes? Yes?
I is usually b is minus 2 is 4 multiplied by 3 and x minus 2.
Plus, minus. Right? Then 4 times 3 is how much?
12.
10.
Minus
Plus 2.
Plus minus
Minus
is going to
2.
be plus or minus?
Plus.
Minus.
Minus.
Okay. See, by putting the value of the variable we have got in the expression 4a plus b, we got answer 10. So substitute the value. That's a further substitution. Changing the value of the variable, putting in the expression to get the answer. Okay. So I'll ask you to do question C, D, and H. Do it now. Then after
C,
that,
D,
yes.
H.
C,
3 is
D, H. Yes. Once you do this, then I'll give you some homework. C, D, H. Quickly, it's hardly 3 questions are there. The values are given here. In the base, question number 2. C has given you BQ, and D has given you 2 times A plus C. I want someone to come over here and do it. The first one. BQ. Is it correct here?
I can't
Minus
see.
it.
I can't see.
Yes.
Yay!
Yes. Why it's not become minus 2 times minus 2 minus 2?
Because 2 times minus 2 is 2. So next is minus 2.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Oh.
2 times minus 2 times minus 2 is going to be 4 times minus 2 is going to be minus 9. So we should be careful while multiplying or manipulating the things with the minus 1. Okay, with the negative value. It's always tricky because if you multiply negative value 2 times, it's going to be positive. But if you're multiplying this 3 times, it's going to be minus negative value. Question D. Who is going to do it for me? Yes. Please come. The value has given A is 3 and C has got minus 5. Substitute the value and find the answer. Yeah. Take it up. Is it correct or not?
Correct.
Correct? Right? What is the value we have got? Minus 4 when A is 3 and C is minus 5. When in the expression 2 times A plus C is going to be minus 4. Done. Okay. I'll give you some questions here which is basing upon this expression. You need to write down your name on that and just solve the answer under the question. Got it? Yeah.
Substitute.
What is the first thing I need to do here? Expand the bracket. 3 times
3x.
3x
plus
12.
Then what will you do?
3
times 7 plus 12.
I have to substitute the value of x is here. 3 times 7 plus 12. How much is it?
21 plus
33.
21 plus
12.
Oh,
how much is it?
33.
So this way is we do 3A.
Yes.
And 3B is we don't.
What 3b is asking you?
Expand the that equation and substitute x. Substitute.
Yes, same thing right? It's the same only.
But it says it's like have to multiply 3 2x 3 2 4 extra. Then
Isn't it? Another way of doing it. 3x plus 4. Done. You can put the value of x here. How much is this?
7. Oh, I do that.
Plus 4, right? How much is this one?
33 also.
3 times how much is this?
11.
Done. What is the difference between these two? A and B. Yes, what is the difference between these two? This one, right? We have calculate whatever inside the bracket. Then after that, multiplying with 3. So which rule did we apply here? Big mass bracket, then multiplication, right there. So we have followed big mass rule to solve this question B. But how about this question A? What did we do here?
No, we expand the bracket first.
We expand the bracket first. Expanding, not erase. Expanding. B is asking to ask us then, so but the number has given, the alphabets has given you different way. So either way you can do it. Question A you have to write down this one. Question B will be. I mean to say A will be here and B will be.
Oh.
Done? Yeah. Then question C, what is it asking you then?
Compare and no ties.
What do you notice here? Are they different? Anything different? The answer is different there?
No, they're the same.
Different in a way, but the same.
Different way, but same answer. A and B
And Y.
Teacher,
is
as is what we call calculate is we change.
Oh.
A is we have followed the bit mass, right? Bracket it is yes. And but here, what did we do? First one, we expand the bracket. We have just multiplied 3 with x and 3 with 4 expanded. And we have got 3x plus 2. So that is the difference between 2 here, expanding, and here this one is without expanding. Using the bit mass, here is expansion of the. So both the things A and B, we have got the same answer, but in a different way. And we got the
Plus 1.
yes. Solve this expression where the value of y is minus.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Minus 5, yes.
Yeah.
Value of y is minus 5.
Yeah.
So we substitute the value here after expanding, minus 5 here, minus 60. But here, by using the bit mass, inside the bracket first. Minus 8. You mean to say he should not use this one? That is not multiplication side, not cross. It's multiplication. Done. Okay. How about question 5 now? I know the question 4 is easy, so you have to do it as your homework. But here for the question 5, let's do it now. It has given you an expression to find out what? The formula of C is equal 50 minus 4b. B to 3. We have to substitute the value of B to 3. Okay, let me do that. Okay. Let her finish then you learn. The next one. Question B is going to be.
I don't know.
Someone else? Come up with some more. Come here, you can do it. I'll help you out how to do this. Come here. Explain why this formula can be used to find the change from 50 pounds when explain or yes, write words. -50 minus 4.